Hey friends, today we're going to do a Mother's Day drawing.
Yeah, we're going to draw an octopus, and that's because they have a lot of arms.
Yeah.
And they can do a lot of things all at the same time, which is a lot like our mothers.
Yes.
They can do everything at the same time. Yeah. All right, we hope you're going to follow along with us. You need your drawing supplies. You ready to start?
Yup.
Let's start with our little baby octopus down here at the bottom, and we're going to draw a little smile first. And we can also draw the eyes. I'm going to go a little faster since we just got a simple funny face. You could even change this if you want. You could draw the eyes closed or super happy. I'm going to draw a little highlight, color in the rest of the eye on both sides. Okay, now let's draw the head for our octopus. We're going to start here, go around, and stop there. Now let's draw the little arms for our baby octopus. I'm gonna draw them kind of short so it looks more like a baby.
Yeah.
So I got one arm, so I came out with an S curve and then back in. We could do the same thing over here on this side. And we could change these arms. They don't have to be the same on both sides. So there's 2. We need 8, right?
Yes.
I wonder if we can fit these in.
Probably.
I'm gonna try. I got 2 more on each side, so there's 4. I don't think I'm going to be able to fit 4 more in between here, so I'm just going to draw 2. Well, that one got really long. So now we have 6. We need 2 more. I'm going to draw 1 behind the other one. So I'm going to draw it right here, and the other one I'm going to draw here. There we go. There's our little baby octopus. Now let's draw our mom. We're going to draw it right above the baby. And I'm going to start here. We're going to draw another smile. I'm going to change this one, though, and draw it super happy with the mouth open. We could also draw a little tongue inside. And then let's color in that top shape. Next, let's draw the eyes for our mom. And 2 circles on both sides. And color those in just like we did for the baby. Now, if we ever go too fast or you need extra time because you want to change your drawings, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah. Now let's do the same thing we did for the baby. We're going to draw our mom's head shape. We're going to go around and then come back over here. Oh, I'm also going to add little eyelashes to our mom. Yes. All right, now let's draw the tentacles or the arms. I'm going to start here on the left, and I'm going to draw the arm coming up, and we can even S-curve. So add 1 curve going this way, and then another going the other way. And then I'm going to curve around, and then come back close to where we started. Then I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to come down, and I'll stop here, and then come back in. Then I'm going to draw another arm that comes down a little lower and come back in.
This is fun. It's a lot of wiggles.
Yeah, this is really fun. Okay, and then let's do the same thing over here on this side. I'm even going to draw these so they really look like they're matching. We'll kind of do the same thing on both sides. So we'll go a little faster since we're repeating the same steps. Coming out, this one's down a little lower, and then the last one. Although this isn't the last one, I'm realizing we only drew 3 arms on each side. So we need 1 extra arm. Oh, you might have enough room though. You have extra space. Yeah, you have tons of space. So you got to add another arm down there at the bottom. I'm going to draw an arm coming up here further like this and then back in. So this one's kind of behind the mom's head. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And we did it. We finished drawing our mom and baby octopus, except we still need to
Color it.
Yeah. This part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match your same coloring. Now we're going to do one more thing too besides coloring it. we're gonna add little things in each of the arms of our mom octopus. And you could add different things to your drawing. So maybe your mom likes basketball. You could draw a basketball in one of the
Yeah.
arms. Well, I'm gonna draw a heart because my mom, I know, loves me.
Yes.
But you could do other things like money or maybe a mug and car keys. You could add a lot of different things. Whatever your mom likes. Okay, you ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Jack, we did it! We finished coloring our octopus and it turned out awesome, all colored in.
Yeah, and I like all the things that we added to her hands.
Yeah.
The brush, the heart, the phone.
And you can't forget the money.
Yeah. And the chocolate.
And the chocolate. Now you can pause the video right now to match our coloring. You can also take the extra time to add different things that your mom really likes. Maybe she likes...
Burgers and french fries.
Oh yeah.
Or steak.
Or steak, oh yeah. And maybe a burrito.
Yeah. We hope you had fun making this Mother's Day drawing with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.